So welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is I will be discussing about what I have learned through life from so many years and from so many years of experiences through my understanding. And why I am putting this topic is that it's a very important thing to understand about life, and life feels very much complicated to most of the populations. Of course, I feel it's my responsibility, it's my duty to guide people and to give them the information about how I have got that awareness about life within myself, so that it would help others, young ones, older ones, everyone, to live their life in a very easy way, as it has been my motive throughout, and I have created this channel for this purpose. So let's begin the channel here. Let's begin my topic. As you all know, I have been through lots of pain, lots of struggles that I have shared through my videos. I have created many topics about discuss about many things that would help you in your life. So what I have understood throughout this life is, in life nothing is very important. Even if you have your big house or big car or something, you are not able to make big trips to foreigns and here and there. If you are not able to get good clothes, some fashion like big brand clothes, designer clothes, if many people out there in India and abroad that who don't get a proper lifestyle, and they see others, maybe their peers or maybe their acquaintances, and they feel that this is not worthy they are living, why God has done injustice with them. So my saying is that God haven't done any injustice to them, because it's not important that you have to have a materialistic lifestyle. Even you don't have that materialistic lifestyle, you don't have good brand clothes, big houses, big cars, and lots of trips, lots of outgoings, etc., accessories, money. So even if you don't have, so please don't mind, friends, because these are not the essential things, as I have taught you through my many of my videos. What is very much important in life, that your awareness, your sense of responsibility towards your own life, whatever you choose for life to be enjoyed. So it's a very vast topic that I am discussing today. Well, I will not be able to cover it, but yet I will try to follow and give you guidance on the main points. As first of all, one has to have the awareness about his or her own qualities, what things can he do in his life and how he can shape his life. So with this awareness, one can make his life happier. You don't need materials in your life, because once we come in this world and we go from this world, but we don't take anything, we don't bring anything with us. Everything are kept in here, in on this world, on this ground, so everything would be here. So nothing belongs to us. It's only the time span we are living, we are using those things. So of course we have to understand happiness, how we are living the life, the quality of life is more important, how we are living, and we have to be aware about what quality we can do. If we have the quality to serve people, to educate people through our words, through our experiences, we should do that, because that is how we are going to be immortal in people's minds and heart. Otherwise these materials are not going to make any more good differences in our life. As you can see around, that materialistic things are just for to show or to make difference, that what I have or what someone doesn't have. So these are not the very much important thing to have a materialistic lifestyle. But if you have a minimalistic lifestyle, if you can create a minimalistic lifestyle, that is more important, because it is something you are creating by yourself, your own intelligence you are creating. So next comes, nothing is serious in life, nothing to be serious, nothing to be too serious in life, because the more you are being serious in life, the more you are going to be depressed with life. You have to educate yourself, you have to understand, you have to look after your family, look after your parents, do these things and try to be happy at the same time. Don't take anything seriously. Too much seriousness makes the life more depressive, and with this depression what we get is we get lots of diseases, problems. We have to go to the therapist, mental problems, psychological problem, physical problem, emotional problems. And apart from that, financial problem is something that people get affected. But if you live a minimalistic lifestyle, if you understand your budgets, if you try to do the budget charts, of course you are not going to face any problem. It's important to be happy in life. And next, what I have understood is I was not at all in favor of spirituality, but the day I have understood that spirituality is nothing that you have to chatter mantra this and that, you have to go to some babaji and etc. It's not that. It's something you have to understand your life through your own feelings, your emotions, through your mind, through your heart. That is what spirituality is. So next thing is that try to get connected with nature, which I always suggest. Try to walk into the forest, try to go to some trip places, try to make plans for trips where you can see the nature, you can feel the nature, because these are the things that brings happiness to your life. So next, what I have assumed through my life is that relationships are the vital thing. If you have a good connected relationships with your family, with your extended family, your friends, that is what brings happiness. Because this kind of jealousy, greed have no impact. These are just to that mind sometimes have a attitude to compete. But once we be aware of that and train our mind and manage it, of course this kind of negative things won't come into our mind, and we would be filled with positivity, and we would feel more good and happy life. So next comes is the gratitude. We have to be gratitude for everything whatever we have got, because it's that many people out there in this world, they don't have houses, they don't have good place to live, they don't have proper food, they don't get proper food daily, they don't have good dresses, yet those peoples are living. So it's that we all are same. We also have blood in our body, we also breathe oxygen, so nothing's different. Those people are doing the same thing. So we have to understand that we are similar with each other. It doesn't make difference that how much money you have, how much materials you have in life, how much accessories you have, how much property you have accumulated in life. It's that how much impact you have made on others life, which you can do through your good words, good behaviors. The ones you start to make impact on others life, of course you will create an influence within their mind and heart. It's not that you have to show them something and that you have to catch their attention. So friends, this was all about I have learned from life. And what is one last thing that I have learned from life is imagination is the best thing that you can enjoy through your life. Whatever you are not able to create in your life, or maybe some places you want to go and you are not able to visit that place, it's okay. Try to get some sources, try to imagine that thing, try to feel that thing. This imagination power and feeling power gives happiness. You don't have to, it's not always that you, if you meet something physically, you are going to get the same happiness. It's not that. It's my own experiences. So imagination and your feelings, your sense of attachment, these are the sources of happiness, these are the doorway of happiness. Once you start to practice this, your mind gets to be effective even more. So friends, try to follow these points, and I hope this would definitely help you. So friends, I guess this was helpful to you. We'll definitely come up with some new videos. So thank you friends. Bye bye. Love you all.